Hey guys, Chuck, House of Mopar. Welcome back. Gonna go to a little thing. You guys heard of Gateway Classic Cars? Well, they're called Gateway Classic Cars all over the country, but they started here in good old St. Louis. Gateway, all that. Anyway, they've got a flagship store. I've never been, and once a month you can go to their place and get in for free. They have a little mini car show. And the local guys, a bunch of local guys, not the guys I run with, they're going to be there. They're sponsoring the thing tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't rain. So the plan is I'm going to take the Cuda and yeah. First I got to put all this crap on top of that car. Get her cleaned up. Well, I'm not going to clean it. Let's not get serious here, too serious. But anyway, get her wiped down a little bit, get her fueled up, and take her out for the season. First time. Okay. I'm back. We got gas. Took 12 gallons. I always fill this thing up before the end of the year. I didn't this year, I guess, because I've only drove it, sparingly, unless somebody else has been coming in driving it, which I don't think so. Anyway, I'm gonna douche her down with one of these things real quick, and we'll call that good. And she actually was really clean. Well, I cleaned it before I put it away, you know. But yeah, that kind of pays dividends right now. Douche, douche, douche. Okay, see you in the morning. Hopefully no rain.
The next day.
Good morning to me and to you guys. Next day, car's clean. Like I said, I had 12 gallons of fuel I put in that booger. I leave this door open so the exhaust will eventually go out. Anyway, I'm gonna meet another buddy, Drew, with a 69 Charger. He's over there, and his son, and another buddy's coming. Jeff, he rode with me all the way to Bowling Green and back. He's gonna jump in with me probably. And yeah, ought to be fun. It's a shorty. So anyway, all right. Well, that was pretty cool. Thanks for coming along. I'm still here. I got a project coming up, guys. You'll be liking it. Yeah, it was nice to get the Cuda out for a rip. Didn't rip much, but yeah. Yep, got to see some friends I knew. Yeah, it was all good. I'm gonna try to get this thing put together here. I do have a project I'm doing for the Cuda here. In fact, got the dirty clothes on now. Back out here. Oh, what the hell? You might wonder, early video, why do you have 11-inch drums? Why do you have a 4-speed? Cuda's a 4-speed already. Oh, anyway, teaser. So I'm gonna try to get something done here, finish up a job I was started, and go from there. Anyway, thanks for coming along, guys. Appreciate it. Catch you on the next one. See you.